And my fourth one is given f of x equal to 3 plus x and g of x equal to x minus 4, and f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to, I'm putting the value of g of x here, that is x minus 4, it is given already. Then I'll put this x minus 4 in the place of x in f of x, that is 3 plus x minus 4, that is 3 plus x minus 4. So when I cut it, I'll get x minus 1 equal to, this is my first equation. Then I find g dash f of x equal to g f of x, that is equal to, I'm putting the f of x here. So this 3 plus x will be, I'm putting it in the place of x in g of x, that is 3 plus x minus 4, that is equal to, when I cut it, I'll get x minus 1. This is my second equation. Therefore equation 1 equals to 2. So f dash g of x equal to g dash f of x. Then in my next part, I is given f of x equal to 4x square minus 1 and g of x is given 1 plus x. So my f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to, I'm substituting the value of g of x here, that is f of 1 plus x, that is, I'm putting this 1 plus x in the place of x in f of x, that is 4 into 1 plus x the whole square minus 1. So 4 into, I'm just splitting it in the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'm writing it here 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1. Now we should just multiply 4 into this whole thing. So I'll get the answer 4 plus 4x square plus 8x minus 1. So when I subtract it, I'll get 4x square plus 8x plus 3. This is my first equation. And g dash f of x equal to g f of x, that is equal to, I'm substituting value of f of x here, 4x square minus 1. And I'll put this 4x square minus 1 in the value of g, that is 1 plus 4x square minus 1, that is 4x square. This is, so 1 and 1 will get cancelled, so it will be 4x square. This is my second equation. Therefore equation number 1 and 2 are not equal, so therefore f dash g of x is not equal to g dash f of x. And your second question is, find the value of k such that f dash g equal to g dash f. So first one is given f of x equal to 3x plus 2, and second one is, that is g of x equal to 6x minus k, and the second one is given f of x equal to 2x minus k and g of x equal to 4x plus 5. And the first part solution is, f of x is given 3x plus 2 and g of x is given 6x minus k, and we'll first find f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to, I'm substituting the value of g of x as 6x minus k. I'll put this 6x minus k in the place of x in f of x, that is 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. I wrote it here. Then I'll multiply 3 in this whole thing. I'll get 18x minus 3k plus 2. This is my first equation. Then I'm finding g dash f of x, that is equal to g of x, that is equal to, I'm putting substituting the value of f of x here. So I'll get g into 3x plus 2, that is, I'm putting this 3x plus 2 in the value of g of x, that is here 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. I put it here. Then I'll multiply 6 with the whole thing, then I'll get 18x plus 12 minus k. This is my second equation. It is given that f dash g equal to g dash f. So equation 1 and 2 should be equal. So I'll substitute it as equal. So that is 18x minus 3k plus 2 equal to 18x plus 12 minus k. So this 18x and 18x will get cancelled, and this plus 12 will come this side, and this minus 3k will go that side. I'll get 2k equal to minus 10 and k equal to minus 10 by 2. So k equal to minus 5. Then in my second part, f of x is given 2x minus k and g of x is given 4x plus 5, and f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to, I'm substituting the value of g of x here, that is f of 4x plus 5, and if this f of 4x plus 5, that is 4x plus 5, I'll put it in the value of f of x, that is here. Then I'll get 2 into 4x plus 5 minus k. So that is 8x plus 10 minus k. This is my first equation. Then g dash f of x equal to g f of x, that is equal to, I'll put the value of f of x here. So I'll get, then this value I'll put it in g of x. I'll get 4 into 2x minus k plus 5, that is equal to 8x minus 4k plus 5. This is my second equation. Then already it is given that f dash g equal to g dash f, and so 1 equal to 2, that is 8x plus 10 minus k equal to 8x minus 4k plus 5. That is this, and 8x and 8x will get cancelled here. Then I'll get 10 there and plus minus 4k here. So I'll get 3k equal to minus 5 and k equal to minus 5 by 3. So my third one is if f of x equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 1 by 2, then we have to show that f dash g equal to g dash f equal to x. So f of x equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, and we have to show f dash g equal to g dash f equal to x. So solution is f dash g of x equal to f g of x, that is equal to f of, I'm putting gx value here, that is x plus 1 by 2. Then I'll put it in f of x value, so 2 into x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is x plus 1 minus 1. This 1 and 1 get cancelled, so x, this is my first equation. Then g dash f of x equal to g f of x, that is equal to 2 into x plus 1, f of x value here. Then I'll put this value in g of x, that is 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2x by 2, that is equal to x. When I cut this, it will get cancelled, that is equal to x, and this is my second equation. And therefore 1 equal to 2 and f dash g equal to g dash f equal to x, so hence proved. And my fourth one is first part. If f of x equal to x square minus 1 and g of x equal to x minus 2, we have to find a comma a if g dash f of a equal to 1. And the second part is find k if f of k equal to 2k minus 1 and f dash f of k equal to 5. And the first part solution is f of x equal to x square minus 1 and g of x equal to x minus 2, and it is given that f dash f of a equal to 1, and so f dash f of x equal to g f of x, that is equal to g into x square minus 1, and I'll put this in g of x, that is x square minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to x square minus 3. So I will get f dash f of a equal to a square minus 3 equal to 1. I'll just putting a in the place of x, so it will be a square minus 3. So this 3 will go that, minus 3 will go that side. I'll get a square equal to 4 and a equal to plus or minus 2. Now my second part is f of k equal to 2k minus 1 and f dash f of k equal to 5, and f of k equal to, I'll put substitute the value of f of k here. Then this value I'll put it in f of k, that is equal to 5. So 2 into 2k minus 1 equal to 5, and 4k minus 2 minus 1 equal to 5, and 4k minus 3 equal to 5, and 4k equal to 8, and k equal to 8 by 4, and I cut this, I'll get k equal to 2. So in my fifth question, let a comma b comma c be a subset of natural numbers and function f a to b be defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g b to c be defined by g of x equal to x squared. We have to find the range of f dash g and g dash f. And f of x is given 2x plus 1, g of x is given x squared. F dash g of x equal to f of x, that is f of x squared, that is 2x squared plus 1. And g dash f of x equal to g into g f of x, that is equal to, I'm putting this value of f of x here, I'll get g into 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square. So here 2a plus b whole square formula, so a square plus b square, and this is 2ab. Now the range of f dash g is y dash y, that is 2x square plus 1, where x belongs to natural numbers. And range of g dash f is y bar y, that is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square, that is x belongs to natural numbers.